Welcome to EATLAB channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
We test the flour at each stage to ensure the highest quality. This bland sifter separates the finest particles.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Readings are stable.
Alkaline salt solution, or kansui, is added to the flour mixture. This gives the noodles their characteristic yellow color and firm texture.
The smooth dough sheet continues through the final reduction rollers that bring it to the precise thickness for noodles.
Keep an eye on that humidity, we're right on the edge. Copy that, watching the dew point now.
Transcription. The steamed noodles exit the chamber with a glossy appearance and firmer texture. The heat
Hey, make sure those blanks are aligned properly.
Got it. This new machine is way faster.
Syntatra transcription. Sensef. The printer can code 150 boxes per minute.
Looks like that last batch cleared without any issues.
Agreed. The new scanner calibration is holding up perfectly. Once filled with 12 boxes, master cartons move to an automatic flap folder. The machine folds the top flaps of the master carton in sequence.
That looks secure.
Good seal on this one.
Here.
All systems are running smoothly. The print quality is excellent.
Differentially Rikam and Jungle Guide Sino Creative Gigas. Benefit don't get considered commercial to
Get it lined up with bay 3. Roger that. Moving to bay 3. We've got 24 pallets loaded. That's 1,440 master cartons ready to go.
Secure that lower bar first.
Got it.
Make sure it's tight against the pallet.
All right, that's 10 pallets of widgets going to Springfield. Sign here, please.
Looks good. All set. Okay, looks like all the pallets are secure and the load bars are tight. Temperature is holding steady at the set point.
Excellent. Everything's confirmed, ready for transport. Let's close it up.
These noodles are quick to prepare and packed with flavor, a perfect choice for a fast and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.